everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add Pika Labs in Discord. So you just have to go to any web browser, and then here what you want to do is just simply type Pika Labs Discord. So once done, click search, and you have to select or click the very first link that will appear right here. So this is what it looks like. Now click Discord or Pika, and it will take you directly to your Discord account if you have downloaded your Discord already. So you can open it by just simply click accept invite. Okay, so accepting invite, opening Discord, and what you want to do here is to simply click open Discord or continue to Discord. So you could open this to Discord or continue to Discord. Once you open this to your Discord, and then there you will see this Pika Lab. So this is what it looks like. You can scroll down and you can start by just selecting from any of the generate here. So you can scroll down, tap generate. But if you want to show Pika Labs, then you can go to the upper side and tap this icon right here, show member list, and then tap this Pika. Okay, click Pika, and to start conversation, you can just simply say hi, hello, and it will open the Pika conversation. Okay, and then once you open it, in order to generate an image or something, all you have to do is to enter slash, and you will have options here: animate, create, encrypt, and so on. But let me tap this slash animate and then your prompt. Now, what you want to do here is to simply add or drag the picture or image. Now, you can ask for a prompt, for example, moving. Okay, that means moving dog, and then tap enter and wait for a couple of seconds or minutes as it is processing. So you have to wait for a bit. Now, after that, this is what it looks like. And as you can see, it is now a moving dog. You can do other, or you can select from any options here. All you have to do is to tap this area. Okay. If you want to copy or if you want to react, okay, or if you want to download, then all you have to do is just simply click this download button right here once you're satisfied with the result. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.